Hey guys, this is Mubin from SMS and you are watching my channel SMS Technical. Today we are here to unbox the OnePlus 5T. Here you can see on your screen that we have received a package from Amazon.in, and in this package we have our OnePlus 5T. So we'll get the box out of this package, and by the time we do that, you can subscribe to my channel, like the previous videos and share it with your friends. Okay, so the package is undone. Yep, we have the box. This is the Amazon package with the bubble wrap protection. That is the invoice that we get. And this is the OnePlus 5T box, the red and white box. This is our OnePlus 5T box, and we get some details on the flip side of the box. Here we can see the maximum retail price of this box. It is 32,999. Yep, and you can see the color is midnight black, and the manufacturing month and year is March 2018, and the model is OnePlus 5A5010. This is our OnePlus 5 box, and we have our 5T inside this box. So we'll get the device out of this box, and we are removing the protective film of the box. And yes, the film is removed. Yep, it's done. Okay, now you can see that the box is packed in such a way that Apple used to pack its devices. So it is an airtight device or a box, and we just have to squeeze the bottom part from away from the upper part so that we can get the device and the other products out of this box. Okay, it's almost done. Yeah, okay, so device is out of the box, and you can see the first glimpse of our 5T. It is a midnight black variant, a very glossy one, a perfect device that you can see. In the bigger box we have a smaller box where the 5T is tucked inside, so we just have to remove it out, and you can see a sticker that is the flip side of this device, two cameras, the flash, the noise cancellation mic. Here we have the normal mic and the 3.5 mm jack. Here we have the loudspeaker grill, the front camera, the speaker grill, and we have the screen, and we have the the screen guard is there on this device already, and we have a sticker on the flip side. It has some details on it like the electrical things, the company. Now we'll look at the other details in the box. So here we have the charging cable, that is the OnePlus red and white kind of cable. And yes, the other thing that we get with this device is the adapter. So this adapter dash button on it, so you can be sure that it provides you a dash charge. So these are the some of the details, electrical details. So this adapter, as you can see, it is suitable for the Indian electrical units. So that is the charger and the adapter, charging cable and the adapter. And the small device that we talked about, we are getting a speaker. No, we are getting a silicone case. As we saw with the Redmi Note 5 Pro unboxing, we saw that there was a silicone case attached with this. So with OnePlus 5T also we are getting a silicone case, a very simple case, a protective case. Apart from the case, we get a few manuals. We have the pin to remove the SIM trays. We have the quick guide, many pages, you can go through it before using the device. And this is the safety and maintenance page, and we have some stickers and the instructions, safety information, so the user should read it before using the phone. And yeah, that's it. So we saw the contents of the box, the charger, the device, the small box that we got, that is the silicone case with it. So now we are having a look at the device. So on the right side of the device we get a very tiny hole, and this hole will allow us to get the SIM tray out. And On the left side we have a switch that will allow you to go to silent mode or vibrating mode or the normal mode. We have the volume rockers, and on the right side just below the SIM tray or the SIM slot we have the power button. So here we are going to get the pin. Yeah, okay, yeah, so that's the pin that is provided. And we'll use this pin to eject the SIM tray. Okay, so here that's the SIM tray. As you can see the arrangement, we have the possibility of using two SIM cards. So as we can see the arrangement, it is a dual SIM tray, and I suppose it will not allow you to use a memory card there. Now we are trying to boot up this device for the very first time. That's the power button. Let's boot up this device. Okay, yep. So as you can see on the screen, the first boot of our OnePlus 5T. So it's booting up. Okay. Yes, that is the welcome page, and the default language is English. So let's move forward and click on the let's go button. The second page that we get is the font selection. So we have two fonts, that is Roboto and OnePlus State. So we'll choose the default whatever font was there and move to the next page. The third page we get okay, the third page we get the terms and conditions. So you just read the contents, agree to it, and move forward. So as you saw, the SIM tray was empty, so it is asking us to insert the SIMs. We'll skip that part. Now the fourth page we get the welcome to OnePlus A5010 model. It allows you two options, that is you can copy your data from the previous Android device, or you can set this device as a fresh start. Okay, so we are choosing the second option. Now it will ask us to connect to the Wi-Fi. We'll do it later. Okay, so message that pops up, it says that if you connect it to network, it will give you option to software update and XYZ. We'll do it later. So as there is no Wi-Fi, there is no data, there are no SIMs, so it will ask you to enter the date and time manually. So we'll be entering the date. It is April 18th 2018. Okay, and the time is around, let's check, it is around 10:15 p.m. Okay, 10:15 14. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, it will ask you for the name, so we'll put it as Surya, as this device belongs to him. So it's Surya OnePlus 5, yeah, 5T. OnePlus 6 will do it later, but right now we are doing the 5T. Here you can see this device allows us to unlock the device using our face, that is the face unlock feature. So we'll skip it, we can do it later in our full review. This is the Google services page. You can opt in, opt out the services. So almost done, all set. We'll click on that. Here you can see that is the first page of our OnePlus 5T. So that's, we get only two pages by default. This is the notification page, and on this page you can see your memos, your recently used contacts, recently used applications, the dashboard that says the data remaining, available storage, the battery percentage, and other stuff. So it says 18th Wednesday, the second page. Now we are going to the notification bar. The notification bar is actually similar to all the other devices, with the Wi-Fi, SIM card, battery percentage, Bluetooth, auto rotate, flashlight. On the top right you have the pencil icon with which you can edit the icons. This is the fullest brightness on this device, and this is the lowest brightness. There is a considerable difference between both. And we also have the auto brightness option here, so it will change the brightness according to the lighting conditions. So we'll set it to almost the highest part. We are into settings now. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth are disabled. We don't have any SIM. We have the gesture, display, battery percentage. The memory is 52.67 GB available for the user. Here we have the Google accounts, date and time, language, system update. About phone, you can see here we have the Android 7.1.1. So focusing it will give you the clarity. Android 7.1.1. So in advanced settings you get the OTG storage, pocket mode, accessibilities, and here in more we get the airplane mode, tethering and portable hotspot, Bluetooth tethering as well. We have NFC, and we have one more option, that is tap and pay. We'll look into all this with our full review. Today we're doing just the unboxing and a small review. So here we have the fingerprint and the face unlock options. Okay, and now we are going to that we can add the accounts. We are going to about phone, the phone name OnePlus 5T. Status, you can see that the uptime of this device is more than 6 minutes. That is the first boot up that we did. The serial number, the Wi-Fi, MAC address, Bluetooth address is unavailable right now. So IMEI information, SIM status, battery level, it's 65%. That's it in the settings. Okay, so that was the unboxing and a very quick review of our OnePlus 5T Midnight Black, the 4GB and 64GB variant. Please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.